Welcome to the audio player tutorial. Playing sound in PowerShell GUI. Play sound in 5 lines of code, actually 2 lines. Playing audio in a graphical user interface without using a button widget. Let's get started. First, we need to load the necessary libraries, which allows us to create our graphical user interface. Next, we'll create a new form that will host our audio player. Now let's write code for SoundPlayer and set the path to our audio file. Make sure your audio file is in the expected format, such as WAV, and stored in the right folder. For this example, I'll be using an audio file located in an Assets folder. Next, it's time to play our audio file. With just 1 line of code, we can play the sound using the play method. Finally, we need to display our form. Even without any buttons, the form needs to be present for the audio to play.
Welcome to the audio player
tutorial. Let's explore how to use this player effectively. Welcome to the audio player tutorial. Let's explore how to use this player effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.